to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
We are live. Hashim on my live.
I'm in your favorite spot, Dubai Mall.
Who's that?
My cousin sister.
Hashim, you're on my live. I'm on your live.
We are so alive. Balbir, you want?
What's up, guys? Sorry, बहुत दिन बाद लाइव आ रहा हूँ. इधर थोड़े नेटवर्क के इश्यूज है एंड मास्क निकालना ज़्यादा अलाउड नहीं है.
Store you want me to go to?
Hope everyone's having a safe time in Mumbai. Please take care. India is really screwed up. Look at how these guys have managed. Everyone's walking, keeping so much distance. What a blessed day. Look at that sunset. That's the Burj Khalifa. Hi Nitin sir.
Drum and sing here, huh?
How are you Nitin sir? What's up? Good to see you.
Pure African way. Serving traditional. One main branch.
Does this fountain start at 6 exact?
Exact.
Oh, we have 3.
Something is very good.
It's particular. In 3 minutes, you'll see the fountain.
Finish your video now.
Can't believe there's an Apple building here, not just a store.
Go down.
What's up, guys? GC, Gaurav Chawla, congrats, bro, on all the good music you're putting out. Your label's doing really well. Since you've come there, it's doing even better. Calling, tell him not to. Yes, my songs will be coming soon. The single and the soundtrack from Saina. I hope you can hear me. So happy to see you all. So much love. मेरा सिंगल बेटा थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली अब भी शूट हुआ है, अभी वापस गया, अभी एडिट हो रहा है. एडिट होके मुझे दिखाएंगे, फिर मैं उसमें 100,000 करोड़ों चेंजेस करूँगा टू गेट द बेस्ट. यू नो, आई डोंट वांट इट टू बी just a random video. It has to be like almost a movie, and we've tried our best to keep it very emotional, keep a good storyline. So जब वो हो जाएगा मैं अनाउंस करूँगा. अभी तो सिर्फ ये कह सकता हूँ कि शूट हो चुका है, ऑडियो मिक्स हो रहा है, and very soon we're going to release it. Ritra, okay, this is where the fountain's gonna fly. Is it ready?
I think they will do it after the prayer.
Oh, after the prayers, yes. So let's. That's the restaurant Tribes. Look at that. Something really exciting. Even I've never seen it. I'm seeing it for the first time. Azim, missing you, मेरे भाई. दुबई तेरा घर है. तेरी वजह से कितना दुबई देखा मैंने घर पे बैठे बैठे. Thank you. Look at that. The building is just starting to light up.
Oh my god. Another shit. Anna, அவனுக்கு வந்து நேரமா பாருங்க கஷ்டப்பட்டு அடிச்சு வாங்கி. அதோட
Waiting. Hi, Afjal Alaf. Yes, bro. Office is right here, next to the Apple store. Going down now. No, Rahul. I'm at the Dubai Mall. Look at these little lights in the water, lights on the building. It's powering up. Wow, man. This place feels like you're living a dream. Missing you, Rahul. तेलुगु डेब्यू, yes, soon. मेरा नहीं, आप लोग सबका soon. How much time does this start in now? Less than 2 minutes. जुदा हम हो गए माना, मगर ये जान लो जाना, कभी मैं याद आऊं तो चले आना, तुम्हें मैं भूल जाऊंगा, ये बातें दिल में ना लाना, कभी मैं याद आऊं तो चले आना. Some brilliant restaurants there. Now?
Yeah.
Woo, look at that. This is unbelievable. Beautiful. Call Hashim, he's missing it. Where's Hashim? Check it out. Oh God, I want to stay here, man. Look at this. Wow! Incredible. Ashim, what do you have to say about this? Ashim, what do you have to say about this? Beautiful. I hope they all saw it. Thank you, sir.
Right?
Thank you to the whole team
Right.
at Tribes for some dangerous, yummy food and some burgers which will put us to sleep. Okay, guys, I hope you all had fun. I'm going for my dinner.
We have one conversation for him and you. We will go. That's how we greet people here at Tribes.
No, but this is it.
Lovely.
Yeah, that's it.
Without it, please happy outside.
Like everybody. We'll do it out.
Bye, guys. Love you. Oh, you're going to do something now? Okay, wait. We have a special performance for me in this restaurant. Come on, boys, you're the jumbo.
Give him some water just to drink.
Okay, these very talented people here are going to play some really nice music right here for us.
Give it to Tyler. He will do the video.
Oh, no problem. What's your name?
John.
Yes, sir, your name?
John Wick.
Tulu. Lovely! Yeah! Woohoo! Thank you so much, guys. Brilliant. This is the staff and the team at Tribes. Beautiful. Tribes in Dubai Mall. Okay, guys, I hope you all had fun. Now I'm going to peacefully eat some food with Mr. Hashim. And then we'll keep you updated about our plans. Love you. Bye.
Take care. Good night.
बोलना पड़ता है. अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.